how things are going at the moment. So we are still, hovering around entries. It's been a very funny pullback here, with the whole Trump, with the whole Iran and US issue going on right now. So this also affects the stock market in a way. But right now, I'm actually still in a trade. Okay, so my stop losses were almost hit at 6,719 basis points. But for some reason we didn't actually get to hit it, so we are actually back trading underneath, and then this is how the market stands at the moment. Got entries here, so my obviously you guys know how I trade here. So first take profit will be where the market reversed at. All right, it will always be where the market reversed at, which is at this level, like so. If you look at this level, that's 6,445.22, like so. Then afterwards you see this guy, my final target for the S&P shorts are at 6,216 basis points. So long story short, this is practically that for the S&P 500. Then for the NASDAQ, by the way, NASDAQ can also be represented as US tech, whatever, because it's still NASDAQ here. So NASDAQ this is it. And if you really want to know how NASDAQ moves, you just mirror what the S&P 500 is doing. That is how NASDAQ moves. So now NASDAQ, for me, we may actually see a deeper drop on NASDAQ, to be honest. We might actually see NASDAQ collapse all the way to 22,000 basis points. But let's just put it at where the market, gave us the initial bullish engulfing weekly candlestick, which is at that level, like so, 22,717 basis points. So scaling on to the daily time from this, it looks again we had a deeper pullback here. Remember the pullback when Trump announced a 5-day hold. So that's it. So we still have entries there. So stops are above structure. So this is a high here. This is a high. This is a low. This is a lower high. Okay. So technically speaking, we ought to see this market give us this an equal low here, or even a lower low. But for this case, I'm very confident that the NASDAQ and the S&P will most likely collapse further due to this pattern. All right. So due to this pattern, like so. So I'll be here to break it down fully on YouTube for you. For now, please subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that when I drop the long form video, you can actually be amongst the very first few to actually see it and then capitalize on your trade.